Welcome to the Chiltern Global stand. We're here at Milipol 2025.
There's three arms of our company. We have the defence side, the police side, and the medical side. We work mostly on public order equipment. We have our own UK Home Office and British standards approved, certified limb protection, as well as our own range of public order shields. And we are the UK distributor of the Camlock Bonneway baton. We've been working for over 20 years to build up a supply chain in order to work on government contracts and tenders. We help to support companies and work directly in the manufacturing process, supporting all the way from reaching the specification, managing the manufacturing the entire way through until delivery of the goods. We also have a medical division to our company, Medical Warehouse Global, which focuses on the procurement of medical products, of which we have a very wide range available for any urgent requirements at a rapid deployment.
Chiltern Global's shields with the use of the riot glove and the riot guard for comfort and ease of use.
These are interlocking on the side, like this, and then we also interlock on the top.
One of our new items to market is our modular body armour vest. So this can take soft armour and plates, and when you're not in a hostile area, you can just remove the plate, lower your weight, and you can just wear the soft armour. This also gives you a low posture within those areas.
We also have a wide range of sleeping equipment available, including bivy bags, modular sleeping systems, roll mats, and tents.
Our police side, we offer a whole range of tack vests for the police, and we can modify and make these to the bespoke requirement of the specification being asked. Technical fabrics such as 3-layer PTFE, tape seam, these are all made to government specifications that we work alongside our agents in country to their requirements. Chiltern Global can also offer a fully certified public order suit that is currently in service with many police forces within the UK. Our guard systems can also be used for military use as well. We can also offer branded materials such as this multicam extreme cold weather jacket with Primaloft lining. Or we can offer our in-house fabrics that are designed by us through our fabric producers to the specification documents to keep the competitive price for the tendering market. Other items of equipment we offer are the full sleeping system comprising of the beds, sleeping mats, and bivy bags. We also offer a range of specialist load carriage equipment, such as this modular bag system, which has an overall literage, when all connected together, of around 80 litres, and can be used in conjunction with its side pouches and its forward attachment of an assault pack. Chiltern Global can also offer NSN products, such as this in-service sleeping bag system and sleeping mat.